Example 1. Calculate the binding energy in mega electron volt of nitrogen 714 given that the mass of nitrogen 714 is equal to 14.00307 atomic mass unit. Mass of proton is equal to 1.00728 atomic mass unit. Mass of neutron is equal to 1.00867 atomic mass unit. Also calculate the binding energy per nucleon. Since mass of proton, mass of neutron and the actual mass of the nitrogen are also given, so let us calculate first binding energy. We know that binding energy is equal to mass defect times c square according to Einstein formula, mass energy equivalence. So first let us calculate mass defect. Mass defect is equal to total mass of protons plus total mass of neutron minus actual mass of the given element. So since it is nitrogen 714, so number of protons are 7, so 7 into mass of proton is 1.00728 atomic mass unit plus number of neutrons is equal to 14 minus 7, which is 7 into mass of neutron is 1.00867 atomic mass unit minus mass of the nitrogen atom is given 14.00307. So what we get here, 14.11165 minus 14.00307. So what we get? So mass defect will be 0.10858 atomic mass unit. Since we got atomic mass unit, mass defect value, we can calculate binding energy now. So binding energy is equal to, atomic mass unit is 0.10858 into c square. So instead we can directly multiply with 931 because one atomic mass unit is 931 mega electron volt. So I can directly calculate the mass defect value in terms of mega electron volt. So 931 mega electron volt. So what we get? Binding energy. Binding energy we get 101.09 mega electron volt. So this is the binding energy of the nucleus of nitrogen. We also need to calculate specific binding energy or binding energy per nucleon. So binding energy per nucleon is equal to total amount of binding energy by total number of nucleons, which is equal to 101.09 mega electron volt by 14 nucleons. So what we get? Specific binding energy or binding energy per nucleon is 7.22 mega electron volt per nucleon.